One of the things that we added a few months ago was the ability to do the tagging of the templates a little bit easier. But any tag that you apply to it, whenever you're doing a routine or whatever, if Sam builds it, it will automatically tag it with a tag for you so that you know which routines and templates go together. It will do that for you automatically. But you can go in there and tag them however you want. And that's just a good way. As far as naming convention, whenever you're looking at it, it is by alphabetical in most cases. But you do have the ability to do some sorting by either title, which is the default. Normally it's by title ascending, I think. So alphabetically A through Z, but you can change it so that maybe the last one modified and do it descending so that your newest ones are always at the top. You can kind of do it however you want to, as you're playing with them in here, but definitely set some tags in there. And if you do, if you're doing tags, if you click on a given tag, it'll go dark. That basically means it's filtering by that tag as well. So as soon as I click on it, it'll highlight that as a little bit darker. And whenever it does that, it will show only the templates that have that tag. So like right here, if I click on the AI one, you'll see that all the other ones that go away are not AI. So everything that's in here is AI generated. So you can use that filter to quickly group things together and do things like that.
Well, I see you have 1,500 of them in there. So
yeah, I've got a lot of junk in there.
I mean, we're like at 300, and I thought that was a lot.
It is.
1,500 is crazy.
Yeah.
It's helpful that there are different colors also by transaction or by listing or whatever. That helps.
Exactly. Yeah. So if it's a listing type, it'll be this blue. We try to keep some consistency to cyan. Anything that's listing related should be cyan. Anything transaction related should be a green color. And then for those that have projects, those are more of a purple. But you can turn on your filters. You can use your filters here to bring up just certain ones as well. So if you just want to see your property ones, you can filter just by property using the filter in the upper right corner. Turn that on or off, or filter by tags, or filter by types if whichever ones have certain types. So you've got a lot of functionality tools to help you organize and figure out how to utilize those.
Mark, how does when while we're talking about these, when you're on the templates page and it says search, what is the methodology the search uses?
So it is keyword searching. So if I do anything like if I'm looking for weekly, it's going to find anything that has weekly either in the title or the subject or the body. So it'll find it in the body as well.
So, but it would also be in the title of
the title, the subject, or the body is the
okay.
So in every template has a title, just whatever you name it. It's not something they see. The subject is what a person would see, and then the body. Now, if it's just a text file, they don't have the subject, but they have the other two.